Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel.
In today's video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to register for corporate tax in the UAE as a new registrant. If you're a new business owner who hasn't registered for VAT or created an account with the Federal Tax Authority, this video is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the registration process. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our upcoming episodes on tax and accounting. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Log into Emaratax account. Go to the Emaratax website. Click e-Services. You can log into the Emaratax account using your login credentials or using UAE Pass. If you do not have an Emaratax account, click on Don't have an account and select Sign up with UAE Pass, or click on for more sign-up options. Here we'll use the second option. Fill up the sign-up details. And click on Continue. Enter the OTP received in your email, and click on Sign Up. The account has been created successfully. We can now log into Emaratax, using the username and password. Chapter 2, select or create the taxable person. On successful login, you can see a list of taxable persons, linked to your Emaratax user profile. If there are no taxable person linked to your user profile, this list will be empty like this, and you will need to create a taxable person. Let's create a taxable person. Type the profile name in English and Arabic. Select the preferred language. Select the preferred communication channel. And click on Create. Now the taxable person has been created, and you can see it here in the list. Chapter 3, Registration. Select the taxable person from the list, and click on View, to open the dashboard. This is the taxable person's dashboard. To start the registration, click on the three dots here below the action, and click on Register. This screen will appear with the required document list, guidelines, and instructions. For registering as a legal person or partnership, we require these documents: a copy of your business trade license, or certificate of incorporation, branch trade licenses, associated with the main license, copies of passports, and Emirates IDs, of the owners, and authorized signatories. Proof of authorization, of authorized signatories, which can be either memorandum of association, or power of attorney. Make sure all these documents are up to date. Click this checkbox to confirm that you have read the above instructions and guidelines. Click Start to initiate the corporate tax registration application. There are 5 sections in the corporate tax registration process. Now we are in the first section, the entity details. Select the entity type from the list, as per your license. We'll select legal person, incorporated, for this demo. Select the entity subtype. Type the date of incorporation, or license issue date here. Click the checkbox Yes, if you are a qualifying public benefit entity, or click No. Upload your certificate of incorporation, or trade license copy here. Click on Add. Click on Upload. Select the file, and click OK. Now select the corporate tax period from the list. The corporate tax period is your financial year. Select the same as per your financial year. Here we will select January to December. As soon as you select the corporate tax period, all the next fields, like first corporate tax period start date, end date, and return filing due date, will auto-populate. Now we have completed the first section. Click on Save as Draft, if you want to continue the process later. Or, click on Next Step, to go to the next section. Now we are in the Identification Details section. Let's record the main license details. Remember, all details should be as per your trade license. Select the trade license issuing authority from the list. Type the trade license number. Type license issue date and license expiry date, as mentioned in your license. Type legal and trade name, in English and Arabic. Upload your trade license copy. Click on Add. Click on Upload. Select the file. And click OK. Move on to the next area, the business activity details. Click on Add Business Activity, to add your business activities. Here we have to select the industry, main group, subgroup, and activity from the list. These should be associated with your trade license. Click on Add. Click here to add more activities. Ensure that the information about all your business activities is included. After providing all your business activities, you'll need to select one as your primary activity. We'll click here as our primary activity for this demo. Now we have to provide the owner's details. If any of your owners hold a shareholding of 25% or more, click Yes. Once you select Yes, the field for adding owners will appear. Click on Add Owner. Select the owner type from the list. Type the owner's first name and last name in English and Arabic. Click on Yes if the owner is a UAE resident and holds a valid Emirates ID. Type the Emirates ID number. Upload copy of Emirates ID. Type the Emirates ID expiry date. Now type the owner's passport number. Upload the passport copy. Select the passport issuing authority from the list. Type the passport expiry date. Type the ownership start date, and type the shareholding percentage of this owner. Type the corporate tax TRN if available. Click on Add. Likewise, you must enter all owners with 25% or more ownership in the entity by clicking Add Owner. Next is to provide local branch details. Click on Yes if you have branches in UAE. Otherwise, click No, and click on Next Step to go to next section. Here we'll click Yes to show you how to add a branch. A new button will pop up. Click on Add New Branch. Down, you can see the fields to enter the branch details. Select the license issuing authority. Type the trade license number, its issue date, and expiry date. Type the trade name in English and Arabic. Upload the license copy. Add the business activity same as we did before. Select the industry, main group, subgroup, and activity from the list. Once you're done, click on Add. Select one as your primary activity. This is how you add a branch. Click on Next to move on to the next section. Now we are in the third section, Contact Details. Here we have to provide the contact details of the business. Select the country. Type the building name and number. Type street, area, and city. Select the emirate from the list. Enter the mobile number and landline number. Type the email ID. Then click on Next Step. Now we are in the fourth section, Authorized Signatory. Here we have to add the authorized signatories. Click here to add an authorized signatory. Type the first name and last name in English and Arabic. Select the country code, type the mobile number and email ID. Type the designation of the authorized signatory. Click on Yes if the authorized signatory holds a valid Emirates ID. Type the Emirates ID number. Type the Emirates ID expiry date. Then upload copy of the Emirates ID. Now, type the passport number. Upload the passport copy. Select the passport issuing authority. And type the passport expiry date. Select the source of authorization. It can be a memorandum of association or power of attorney. Here we'll select Memorandum of Association. Upload copy of Memorandum of Association. Once you're done, click on Add. Click on Next Step to continue. Now we are in the final section, Review and Declaration. This section highlights all the details you have entered throughout the application. Here, you need to review the application and ensure that all the provided information is correct. If you made a mistake and want to make any corrections, you can click on Edit, or go back to the previous section. Review carefully the information provided, and click the checkbox. Click on Submit to submit the corporate tax registration application. The application has now been submitted successfully. Once the application is submitted, the FTA shall approve, reject, or may ask to resubmit for additional information. And these shall notify the applicant accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on tax and accounting. Thanks for watching.